Neanderthal. Try kick high during fight training. Leg barely lift. Stuck at waist. Cannot reach head. Embarrassing. Try punch combinations. Shoulders tight. Cannot extend full. Movement restricted. Body like stone. Cannot touch toes. Cannot squat deep. Cannot move free. Why Neanderthal? Stiff. Sitting. Too much. Hunching. Over. Repetitive movements. Same fighting stance always. Body adapt. Limited positions. Muscles. Lock. Flexibility. Gone. Neanderthal. Try. Fix. Stretch. Every day. Next day, still stiff. Stretching not working. Temporary only. Frustrating. Then discover real problem. Not short muscles. Nervous system blocking. Protecting body. Muscles weak in stretched position. Nervous system say danger. Stop. Normal stretching just pull. Not make strong. Flexibility. Never stay. Neanderthal. Learn. PNF method. Ancient warrior technique. Build strength in stretched position. Exact method. Breathe entire time. Inhale during push. Exhale during relax. Never hold breath. Breathing. Tell. Body safe. Hamstring. Bend forward. Moderate. Grab legs. Push down like standing, but hands hold. 10%. Breathe. 5 seconds. Relax. Exhale. Wait. 3 seconds. FROG. Split. Knees wide. Feel groin stretch. Push knees into floor. 10%. Breathe. Hip flexor. Lunge. Back knee down. Push knee into ground. 10%. Breathe. Flexibility. Permanent. Nervous system. Trust. Body strong. All ranges. Try method.